next speaker now. This is pretty direct, but this is something that not only just inspired me but also amazed me about that particular warrior. The kind of problems that I'd been listening to before I listened to that problem suddenly started feeling small. The other problems started seeming really small. I'm talking about the problems of other warriors as well. I realize if a woman has a power to manage this situation, I mean, there is so much of unleashed potential that you all already have, and that's something that you need to realize after listening to her. Always chooses courage over fear, and that is pretty much evident from her life journey. Has returned back to work after 7 years of career break with some amazing confidence and pride. Warriors, put your hands together. Standing ovation for AMRITA. Thank you, Amrita. Please have a seat. Thank you. Have a seat, please. Okay. So we'll start with something that has amazed me. Details completely your call. But what I want you to decode for other warriors is if something, uh, if you are going through a phase that is that critical, right, when existence is challenged, right, how do you manage your mindset to come back in career, to come back in life? What kind of mindset?
Okay. So first of all, I would like to say that, share that yes, I have gone through critical illness in my life, and yes, not only the career comeback, I have done the life comeback actually. Life comeback. So at that point of time, when I was fighting with my life, the mindset was just the we do in the CCR also follow the process. Nothing is in our hand. Just follow the process. Surrender the process. Surrender to the divine. The divine grace flows up, and with the divine grace, family, friends, I'm in front of you. Especially divine grace, my family, my husband, my father, who, my daughter, who are who was always behind me, and like they helped me out. Here I am because of them, of course.
So, Amrita, when like the degree of problems that you face, right? तो उसके हिसाब से आपको बाकी problems छोटी है, बड़ी लगती है. So, as of now in your life, what categorizes as a problem? Like, what is a problem and what is a normal situation?
I think every situation is a normal situation now. It's not a problem now, because whenever I face that, whenever I'm in that situation, that how I'm going to handle this, so I just recall that problem. No, means if divine can come give you that second chance, uh, of course anything will give you the second chance. Just surrender and follow the actions and follow the process.
Amazing. Uh, about the second chance, right? In anything, about life or in career, when we get second chances, people generally, a lot of times, will also take it for granted, right? You got a second chance, and then you decided to then work and hustle more. Why that? Why not enjoy life because you have got a second chance at it?
When I realized that yes, I have got the second chance in my life to live. So live for a purpose, live for a dream, live for a motto. Don't just waste, like just want to do a job for seeking a job to validate in front of people or something like that. Be something to the future generation. The same thing that Dishi said. I also want that my daughter should say that no, I want to be in future. I should also be working, and she should say that no, the same frequency level that she should match at that time. So yes, to live for a purpose, to live for a dream. So I got that chance, and again I will say that here my family supported me very extremely. Ki, no, you can do it. Again, Satyam said me when I have one-to-one call with him, he said me, Amrita, if you have come back, you will thorough it here also.
How was the journey? Like when you entered CCH, was it already like in your cards that you would be returning back to work, or you entered just to work on your profile? How was it?
I just, it was in the mind that I want to come back, but it was not at all clear because after 7 years of gap, taking a laptop on the lab was a big challenge actually. To power on the laptop was a big challenge at that time, and just I went to the instant, got the reel, and I thought only just attend a session, and I just attended the session, and from there the growth, I think that the fast mindset, a fast paced life started. I attended the master class. In 3 or 4 days there was an inner circle call, and within 2 days I think I have joined a diamond. And before diamond, I have taken the call with the Satyam. And first of all, I would like to share that the first frequency I matched with the Satyam was, he belongs to the same place, the place I belong. So the first frequency I matched there. So yes, I was skeptical to join, but he gave me the confidence that you will never regret in your life. So here I am, I'm not regretting in the life. And after joining the diamond, the things move very fast.
Okay, so let's decode how fast the things moved and what all things you were doing. Like what did you implement after entering diamond or after you were in CCH?
The magic became...
Which you were not doing earlier.
Yeah, the magic thing, when it was like writing that analysis sheet analysis. The magic begins there actually. When I started writing the sheets, I have written that sheets very honestly. I have taken almost 1 week of time to write that sheets. And I have written it very honestly. When I was writing that sheets, I somewhere found that no, you still have in you. You are not lost. So from there I got the confidence, and and after LCC, when I attended the first LCC, again have regained that confidence that there are women who are all means there are women who are trying to come back. You are not alone in the journey. So that was the motivation also, that you are not alone in the journey and you can do that. If they are also doing the same thing, so you can also do that. So yeah, from there the confidence arose for me.
Amazing. So that was around the confidence, the mindset. When you attended the LCC, you would have seen other warriors, they are also working.
Yes.
Why am I specifically going deep there is because you have said this before as well, that picking up a laptop was also a challenge.
Yeah, yes, picking up the laptop was a challenge. Of course, the technology was very far. Picking up the laptop was a challenge. The set, again there was a doubt whether you will go to the process management fields or technical fields and all. But clarity comes when I was stuck, taking the calls with you for one-to-one calls with Satyam, and clarity comes, and then I was like, okay, this is the thing I want to do.
So when you picked up your laptop, you started working. Which aspect? So sheet is one part for sure.
Sheet is a magical part for me. Sheet was the magical part for me. That boosts my confidence up to 70%.
And then when you started applying for the sheets, like you're applying the sheets, the recommendations.
Yeah.
What all did you do? Like, did you start applying? Did you started reaching out? What helped the most?
For the jobs?
Yes.
Yeah. I have completed my sheets, my profile. I have got the clarity on my domain actually. That's what I want to do actually. And after that, I started posting on the LinkedIn. So I was posting on the LinkedIn, and I was getting a traction. Nothing like job opportunity or something. But getting a traction on the LinkedIn also was a very plus point to me. I have never taken as, oh, just I'm getting the likes, somebody's appreciating on the comments. It was like somewhere the people are seeing your post. People are getting. From there, again I got that I should approach the people with my profile now. So I started using networking physically also, messaging the colleagues, ex-colleagues, my friends. So in that network circle, one day manifesting happens. You want that interview call, and it was a single interview call. That was a single instant that my neighbor was in the same resting profile actually, and she was also having a career back when she joined at that time. So she told me that I will share her resume. And she shared the resume, and resume got selected.
Wow. So neighbor, like, how did she come to know that you're looking for a job?
Just in a conversation. It's a normal conversation, getting up to with the neighbor, what's going on and all. And I was like, oh, are you working and what you are doing, and that way I got that first call. But yes, I was having that confidence that I can speak about that. I want to apply for the jobs now.
I hope you're reading between the lines now, right? I'm not sure if how many of you are actually using your socializing part as well for professional discussions, and not specifically just asking for a job all the time, but letting them know that you're here with skill sets. You're ready to come back, right? Just this shift in conversations will like give way to opportunities. Just like, did you appear for interview, Amrita? Was there nervousness when you appeared for interview?
Yes, it was very much nervousness for the first interview, and I called you up that what to do, and you gave me some tips and tricks for that. And the first interview was the first interview was like what I'm going to tell, what I'm not going to tell, and I don't know. I just worked on my basics, which I was already knowing at that time. I was just worked on the basics. But when I entered into the interview room, I felt like this place belongs to me now. There only I felt that vibes were there. This place belongs to me. So that confidence, that vibes was there, and the interview went well at that time. I just worked on the basics that time only.
And how are you experiencing the change in life now? Like before you were working when you were a seeker, and now you are actually working in terms of routine, your family. How is the life different now?
And I think Richa said that nothing is easy, nothing comes easy. You have to pay a price for each and everything. But yes, nothing comes easy, but that doesn't mean that we should live. Yes, we have that hustle between family and kids and professional life. Professional life is also demanding when you are coming back after such a long period. The technologies changes. You need to upskill at very fast paced level, and you have to perform also, and the family is at their part. But again, if you can come back in your life, you can do this also.
What value are we talking about here? Ready? Just this last statement. Self-reliance. If you can manage those things, I mean, career comeback, returning back to work, managing jobs. Again, as Richa said, so we will not say it's easy or hard, but you choose your heart, which helps you sleep better, right? That hustle that helps you sleep better. Awesome. So, Amrita, your advice to the warriors.
Surrender to the process. Enjoy the process. Don't see ifs and buts, why, where, how. Just surrender to the process, consistency, and surrender to the process and surrender to the divine. The best, he will give you best to you. Best is best to you, which is made for you only.
Big round of applause for our career comeback champion, Amrita. Thank you so much. Let's introduce